Welcome to Learn Commerce PU online classes. Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.
Hello everyone, welcome to second PUC statistics online classes. In the previous class we had discussed about definition of interpolation, definition of extrapolation, then assumptions of interpolation extrapolation and methods of interpolation extrapolation and conditions of binomial expansion method. In this class we are going to discuss how to solve important problems of using binomial expansion method. So in that problem number 1, that is following are the from the following data estimate the production for the year 2001 and 2005 by binomial expansion method. So using binomial expansion method we need to estimate the production for the year 2001 and 2005. So here observations are given like this. The first column is year and the column is production. So here years are given like this: 1995, 1997, 1919, then 2001, 2002 and 2005. And here productions are given in tons, 20, 40, 70, and this value is missing. So in 2001 that value is missing and 2005 this production is missing. So in the sense what, see here 1995 the production was 20 ton. In 1997, the year 1997 the production was 40 ton, and in the year 1990 the production was 70 ton, and in the year 2001 here production was missing, and in the year 2003 the production was 130 ton, and in the year 2005 the production was missing. So there are two values are missing. So for these two values we need to estimate missing value by using binomial expansion method. To apply binomial expansion method there are two conditions are there. In that first condition we already discussed in previous class, and see the first condition, that is the values of the independent variable should have a common difference, that is the values should be in arithmetic progression. See, so here in the sense what, that is x variables or independent variable, and production is dependent variable or y variable. So the condition is the values of the independent variable. See here x is independent variable, correct? No. So the values of independent variable should have a common difference, that is in the value should be in arithmetic progress. So this value should have a common difference. Let me check the first condition of binomial expansion method. So that is 1995 to 1997. So here the gap is 2 years, and 1997 to 1999. So here the gap is 2 years, and 1999 to 2001 here the gap is 2 years, and 2001 to 2003 here also 2 years gap is there, and 2003 to 2005 here also 2 years gap is there. So in this independent variable the gap is common gap is 2 years. So the first condition is satisfied. And the second condition of binomial expansion method is the values of x for which the values of y is to be interpolated must be one of the values of x. See here 20 is interpolated to 1995, 40 is interpolated to 1997, 70 is interpolated to 1999, and this missing value is interpolated to 2001, and 130 is interpolated to 2003, and this last value interpolated to 2005. So here second condition also satisfied. Now I will apply binomial expansion method. To apply binomial expansion method there are some procedures are there. In that first one, so first procedure is we need to write known number of dependent variable, and it is denoted by small letter n. So small letter n is equal to known number of dependent variables are, see, this value is known, this value is known, this value is known, and this is unknown, this value is known, and this is unknown. So these two are unknown values and these four are known values. So here number of known values of dependent variables are 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can write n is equal to 4. Next, see here there are two missing values are there. Therefore we need to write delta naught n is equal to 0 and delta 1 n is equal to 0. Okay, why? Because this is 2 for here there are two missing values are there. Therefore we need to write like this. Next I will consider the first one, that is delta naught to the power n is equal to 0. So here n in the sense what? That is 4. So in the place of n I will substitute 4, that is delta 4 naught is equal to 0. Next this is also equal to, we can write y minus 1 to the power n is equal to 0. So here n is already found, that is 4. So in the place of this n I will substitute 4, that is y minus 1 to the power 4 is equal to 0. Next I will expand this left hand side. How to expand this left hand side? That is, see, before that, see here these are the y observations, correct? No? So y in the sense what? Dependent variable. So these are the y observation. Then what is this in generally? In generally the first observation is y naught, next is y1, next is y2, next is y4, next is y5 and the next value is y6. So here if it is 6 observation we can write y naught to y naught to y6, and if it is n number observation we can write y naught to yn up to yn. So see here the first observation. So these are the y observations are dependent variable, therefore we can write first observation is y naught, next is y1, next is y2, next is y3, next is y4, the last one is y5. So these are the dependent variables. So here y naught is 20 observation, y1 is 40, y2 is 70, y3 is missing, y4 is 130 and y5 is missing. So these are the y observations. Okay, now I will expand this y minus 1 to the power 4 is equal to 0. So here left hand side is y minus 1 to the power 4 and I will expand this left hand side. So that I will write like this. See carefully, that is for, see here the power is 4, correct? No? Therefore I will write y4, see they are the y minus 1 to the power 4, correct? No? So therefore I will start from y to the power 4 and I will leave some space and write y3 and I will leave some space and write y2, next leave some space and write y4 over 3 over 2 over, next is 1, last is y naught and this next right hand side, that is equal to 0. This is important, y is equal to 0. Okay, this much over. No, I hope you understood how to write this one. See here it is y minus 1 to the power 4, therefore starts from 4, that is y to the y4, here suffix is 4. So y4, y3, write in decreasing order, y4, y3, y2, y1, y naught is equal to 0. So next I will put the signs like plus minus plus minus. So first one is plus, so no need to write plus, no, because if it is no sign in the sense what, this is plus only. So here it is plus, I will not write plus because if it is no sign for first observation in the sense, that is plus only. Next, so here plus, next is minus, next is plus, minus, plus. So signs are over. Next we need to write coefficient for this. So how to put coefficient for this? To estimate interpolation and extrapolation, we need to put coefficient. I will use to write coefficient for this observation, this equation. I will use Pascal's triangle. So Pascal's triangle is like this. We already discussed in first year. Triangle. Pascal's triangle is like this. See, first put 1, next add next line, in the next line add 1 1. So here 1 1. So add these two observations, 1 plus 1 is 2. Write in between of the 2 in the next line. Next again add 1 1. Next add these two observations. See 1 plus 2, that is 3. Next 2 plus 1, that is 3. Next add 1 1. Next see 1 plus 3, that is 4. 3 plus 3, that is 6. 3 plus 1, that is 4. Next again add 1 1. Like that. Next see 1 plus 4 is 5. 4 plus 6 is 10. Then 10 plus 4 is 10. Next 4 plus 5 is 4 plus 1, no, 4 plus 1 is 5, add 1 1. Like that you can continue up to no number of observations. So see here, so this is, I will write here, okay, this corner. This is Pascal's coefficient, and what is n? See, if 1 in the sense, if n is equal to 0, the coefficient is 1. If it is 1, 1 1. If it is 2, 1 2 1. Then if it is 3, 1 3 3 1. If it is 4, 1 4 6 4 1. If it is 5, 1 5 10 10 5 1. If it is 6, try yourself. Okay, if it is 6, if it is 7, if it is 8, if it is 9, if it is 10, up to 10, try yourself. Okay. Next, see here known observation is n is equal to 4. Correct? No. So here n is equal to 4 is this coefficient, Pascal's triangle. Using Pascal triangle, we obtain this coefficient for n. So see here n, why it is n 4? So here 4 is no number of observations. So see, now I will multiply this coefficient to this equation. See, the first one is 1. Correct? No. So 1 into y4. So 1 into y4. Y4 only, so no need to write here 1. Next, second one is 4. So 4 into y3. So 4 into y3, 4 y3. Next, 6 into y2. So 6 into y2 is 6 y2. Next, 4 into y1, that is 4 y1. Next, y0 into, so is this one over? No, 4 into y. So first is 1 into y1, y1 only, 4 into 4 y3, 4 y3, 6 into y2, 6 y2, next 4 into y1, 4 y1, the last one is 1 into y0, 1 into y0, y0 only. So this is equal to 0 and call it as equation number 1. Okay, I hope you all understood this much. Next, now I will substitute what is y4, what is y3, what is y2, what is y1 and what is y0. See here y0 observation, see here y0 is, y4 is here, this is y4, no? So y4 observation is here. What is y4 here? Y4, as I said earlier, so here y0 is equal to 20, y1 is equal to 40, y2 is equal to 70 and here y3 is missing, y4 is equal to 130 and y5 is equal to missing. Okay, now I will substitute in the place of y4. What is y4 here? Y4 is 130. So in the place of y4 I will substitute 130 minus 4 into, so what is y3? See here y3 is no, that is missing value. Therefore in the place of y3 I will write y3 only because here y3 value is not there. Correct? No. Therefore here I will write as it is, y4 3 plus 6 into, what is y2? See here y2 is equal to 70. So in the place of y2 I will substitute 70. So 6 into 70. Or you can do multiplication, 6 into 70 minus, the sign is minus, correct? No, minus 4 into, what is y1 here? See y1 is 40. So in the place of y1 I will substitute 40. So 4 into 40 plus, the sign is plus. Next, what is y0? See y0 is 20. So in the place of y0 I will substitute 20. And okay, this is all about left hand side. Next we should write this right hand side. So that is, what is right hand side here? That is equal to 0. Okay, now, so I will write 130 as it is minus 4 into y3 plus what is 6 into 70? Your 6 into 70 is 420 minus 4 into 40, that is 160 plus 20. This is equal to 0. And see here 4 into y3. So 4 into 4y3 is unknown value, correct? No? So that value with the sign I will leave. So 4 into y, because here y3 is unknown value, therefore I will leave with the sign this value minus 4 into minus 4y3 I will leave this value, and next remaining values I will simplify. That is, first one is 130. So that is 130, next plus 420 minus, after 420 minus minus 160 plus 20, that is 410. See, that is 130 plus 420 minus 160 plus 20, that is equal to, that is, so this much 130 plus 420 minus 160 plus 20 is 410. So this is plus value plus 420 is equal to 0, and this value is 0, that I will write as it is here, that is minus 4 into y3. So here it is minus 4 into 4y3 plus 410. Okay, now see, this is minus value. Now that value I will bring right hand side. So now, so this minus value I will bring right hand side, then it becomes like this, that is 410 is equal to, so if I bring this value right hand side, then it is 4y3. So this minus became plus. So here this, okay, now this 410, or we can write like this, 4y3 is equal to 410, and this y3 is equal to, that is 410 divided by 4. So that is 410 divided by 4 is y3 is equal to 102.5. So here we got the missing value y3, that is 102.5. So so here y3 is equal to 102.5 in the sense what? The production for the year 2001 is 102.5. So in the place of y3 I will write 102.5. Okay, next. So next we need to write second equation. How to write second equation? So I will write here only. So okay, I will write here. See the first equation. The first equation is, that is y4 minus 4y3 plus 10y2 minus 10y1. Yeah, correct. So 6y2, y4 minus 4y3 plus 6y2, 4y1 minus, plus y0 is equal to 0. This is equation 1. So what is equation 1, student? Here equation 1 is y4 minus 4y3 plus 6y2 minus 4y1 plus y0 is equal to 0. This is equation number 1. So using equation number 1, here we found first missing value, that is y3 missing value. So here one more missing value is there, therefore we need to write second equation. The second equation is like this. To obtain second equation, so here we need to increase to obtain second equation, increase of the value of suffix of the value of suffix of the value of suffix of y by 1 and keeping coefficient and signs are same. Okay, this is the condition. So the next to write to second equation, the condition is increase of the value of the suffix of y by 1 and keeping coefficient and signs are same. So see, this is equation 1. So how to write equation number 2? So here keeping coefficient and signs are same. Coefficient signs are same. So how to write? So I will not write suffix. So first one is y minus 6. So first one is 4y plus 6y. Next minus 4y plus y naught is equal to 0. This is equation number 2. So for this we need to increase suffix of y by 1. Suffix of y by 1. See here it is 4. So this is increased by 1. So 4 became 5, 3 is 4, then 2 became 3, then 1 become 2 and the 0 become 1. This is the equation number 2. See the equation numbers. See here suffix are increased by 1. So 4 is 5, 3 is 4, 2 is 3 and 1 is 2 and 0 is 1. And next, see, and keeping coefficient and signs are same. So see the coefficients. So 4 here also as it is, 6 here also as it is, 4 here also as it is, here it is 1, right? So here also 1. And the signs. So see here it is minus, here also minus, here it is plus, here it is plus, here it is plus and here also plus, here it is plus, here also plus. Okay, this is equation number 2. Now I will substitute what is y5, what is y4, what is y3, what is y2, what is y1 on this equation. See, so here what is y5? See, y5 is missing, so I will write y5 as it is. Then sign is minus 4 into y4. So 4 into what is y4? See here y4 is 130. So in the place of y4 I will write 130 plus 6 into y3. So 6 into what is y3? Y3 is 102.5. Next is minus 4 into what is y2? Y2 is 70. So in the place of y2 I will substitute 70 plus what is y1 here? Y1 is 40. So in the place of y1 we need to substitute 40 and 40 is equal to what is right hand side? Right hand side is equal to 0. Now see here y5 is unknown value, therefore I will write as it is. So y5 is equal to y5, then the next sign is minus 4 into 130. 4 into 130, that is 520. Next sign is plus, I will write as it is 6 into 102.5, that is 615. Next sign is minus, next 4 into 70, that is 280 plus 40 is equal to 0. See here this is unknown, correct? No, for this sign is plus, so I will leave this value here. Next I will simplify the remaining values, that is first one is minus 520 plus 615 plus 280 plus 40, that is 415. So that is y5 is equal to 415. So y5, see I will write like this, okay. First one, see I will do again. The first is minus 520. Next is plus 615. So minus 520 plus 615 is 95. Next minus 280. That is minus 185. Next plus 40. That is minus 145. So next, so here we got after simplification of this, here we got minus 145. And next right hand side is equal to 0. And here the remaining value is plus y5. So plus y5 is y5 only, right? Correct, y5. So here we got, so here after simplification of this equation, we got y5 minus 145 is equal to 0. So this is negative term, correct? No, minus 140 is negative term. So that term I will bring right hand side. So now the equation is, if I bring this term right hand side, that equation is y5. It remains here only y5 is equal to, and I brought this term this side, that is 145. So here we got for y5 the value is 145. See here there are two values are missed here, missing values are there, one is y3 and y4. So for y3 we got 102.5 and for y5 we got 145. See now, see the assumption. So this condition is increasing order, correct? No, so second assumption is satisfied, and the first assumption there is no sudden jumps in the values of dependent variable. See, there is no sudden jumps in the value of dependent variable, and there is no consecutive missing values. That's third assumption. So in that also here first value, this value is missing, and after that one value is there, the last value is missing. Here also third condition is assumption is satisfied, and see here we got for y3 value is 102.5 and y5 is 145. In the sense what, that is the production for the year. I will write here, okay, conclusion, because there is no place. I will write conclusion here. You need to write after the solution, okay. So here the conclusion is the production year is 102.5 and 2005 is 145. Okay, this is the conclusion for this problem. Yes, thank you for watching this video.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.